This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, continuation about data transforms examples. Continuation about data transforms examples. One is the current address. Current address, I'm entering some data here. Okay, is it permanent and current address same? If yes, then we'll copy the data from here to here. Okay. So now, okay, yesterday we discussed that address is the common across all the applications. Address is the common across all the applications. See, if you want to reuse this address related properties into different implementation applications, at that time, okay, at that time we will create in a data class. We will create a data class. Okay, we will create a data class. Yesterday itself we discussed. Okay, yesterday itself we discussed. Okay, what I will do is all these common properties, address related common properties, I will create in data class. All address related common properties, okay, I will create in the data class. Go to the data types, add a data type. Here you can add address. See, we have a different different data types, different data classes are available. What layer you want to create this data type, you can create. Okay, before creating, even I told that you need to discuss with your okay LSA, and then you can confirm the structure. Okay, in case if we ask about in case if you ask create in a top level class, then everyone can use. See, when you are creating in a top level class, you need to think that okay, whether you are creating in okay organization rule set or not. Okay, if you are creating in again your your implementation rule set, we can use this one in only our implementation class. Here, what we will do, we will say BC. Select the BC hyphen data hyphen address is my data class. I click on submit. Okay, now you can add a properties here. Okay, address line one. Okay, when again same story. When you are creating a property type also you can specify. What is the type of the property you want to create? You can specify whether it is integer or decimal. When you are creating any data type, you can specify. Okay, whether it is integer or decimal or date or boolean. Okay, boolean, what is the type of paragraph or what is the type of the property you want to create, you can create that type of property. Okay, address line 2 3.
Also, one question.
Yes.
Instead of creating this data class in the organization level, if I create a unit or division layer and rule set will be BC, that that's this type of implementation we can do, right? That means we can refer we can call this data type from any application, right? Any case type or application.
See, but we will follow some proper structure, right?
Okay,
Even
okay,
your division is specific to your implementation. Okay, again you are saying that I will create a division class, and then again rule set is BC, whether it is a proper structure.
no, no, okay,
It's not a proper structure, right? Create BC, from BC. Okay, create a division related rule set you can select, and then your second implementation application also is inheriting from same division. Then okay, fine, same division again. I'm telling second
okay,
implementation application also from same division. Then okay, you can reuse.
okay, yeah.
Okay, sir. Yesterday, okay, one of the person asked, bro. Okay, address line one. Okay, now we can observe one. Sir, screen number one. You can example, small example. Here, screen number one, I'm using okay, one just you can think that one property means okay, address line one. Okay, address line one. Sir, okay, what sir here I'm referring address line one property. Here I entered some data like main road. The same property I used even in screen number two also. Okay, screen number two also. At that time, what it will do is, sir, when you are entering some data and submitting this screen, at that time this data will be available in a clipboard. Available in a clipboard. Sir, same
Correct.
property you referred in a second screen means automatically when it is loading the screen, when it is loading the screen, sir, it will check whether data is available in a clipboard or not. Same data automatically it will copy. Okay, same data automatically it will copy. Everyone agree? Same data, it will automatically it will see same. Sorry, address line one.
Address line on. Yes, yes.
Address line. See, whatever data you are entering in address line one, same
Hmm.
property you referred into the different screen. Automatically, same data it will copy into other screens also. Okay, na?
Yes.
Other screens also. See, now in case okay, same means okay, fine. Okay, same means okay. How we will get to know this is the current address or this is the permanent address? You don't know, right? Again, if it is the same also, okay, how we will capture this is the permanent or current. And again, next one is, sorry, in case if it is a different, how we will capture two different addresses with the same property. Okay, it's not possible, right? Now see here. Sir, now you can remember, okay, this is the important point. And sir, now my properties are available in bc-data-address class. My all properties are available in bc-data-address class. Now I want to access these class properties into my work layer. My work layer. Sir, if I create this, okay, see how we can access one class properties into another class. First one, how we can access one class properties into another class. Okay, remember this point. And see, whenever we want to access one class properties into another class property, then we will create page or page list or page group properties. Okay, remember this point. Okay, if you want to access one class properties to one class properties into another class property, then we will create page or page list or page group properties. Okay, by using page or page list or page group properties, we can access one class properties into another class. Okay, another class, one class properties into another class. Okay, one class, we can access one class properties into another class. Sir, yesterday, okay, day before yesterday, I told that page means a single page, and a single page with multiple property values, and a page list means this one also multiple pages with multiple property values. Page group also multiple pages with multiple property values, but index. should be the alphanumeric. Here index should be a index. Index should be the integer. Okay, here index should be the integer. Here alphanumeric. We'll discuss how we will use this page list and page group. Sir, now here page means single page. Page list means multiple pages. Now we can think that, for example, you order something. At that time, you need to provide billing details. Okay, now tell me, are you going to enter multiple billing addresses?
No.
Are you going to enter
No,
multiple? No.
no, sir.
Sir, okay, what about shipping address? Only multiple or single?
Single.
Single
Single.
only. Sir, even when you are filling them, okay, when you are filling any online form, at that time, tell me your permanent address means, are you going to enter multiple or single?
Single.
Okay, current address also single address.
Single.
Okay, now see here, sir, page means, okay, now observe and again I am going to write, again I am going to write, page property means single page with multiple property values, multiple property values. Page means single page with multiple property values. Now tell me, okay, page list means again, page list property means multiple pages with multiple property values. Now you can tell me, okay, what is the type of the property? Now I want to access these properties into, see, if you create a page in this layer, whatever case types are available, every case type you can access. Okay, now tell me, what is the type of the property now we will create? Page or else page list?
Page.
List.
Come on, what
Page.
is the type of the property you will create? Page or page list?
Page
Page.
list.
Page list. Okay. Sir, now just now I asked you, tell me current address, how many current addresses you will provide? If I ask you, tell me your current address.
Only one.
Only one. Okay. If I ask you permanent address, only one. You people
Only
only
one.
telling. Sir, when I am filling the form, how many addresses generally we will fill?
Two,
Only
two addresses. Oh yeah. One address.
two
One.
addresses means, okay, one is the permanent address is different, current address is different.
Yeah.
Two addresses means separately only, right? You will collect.
Yes,
Hello?
yes.
Separate form.
Yeah.
What is the type of the property we create? No, page or page list.
Page.
Page.
Okay, everyone is clear why we are creating a page property? The single page, this is the one page I'm going to create. This is the another page I'm going to create. First, I'm going to prepare a data model. I'm creating a one page. This is the one page property. Page property. This is another page property. Okay, this is another page property. See, now I'm going to create one page property here. Okay, again, I'm going to create one more page property here. Now see here, go to the, okay, go to home loan. Now I'm creating a page. Okay, sir, if you create here in this layer itself, you can access. In case if you create here, everywhere, whatever case types are available, everywhere you can access. Data model and property. Property, give the current address. Now I'm giving the my page name, current address. Okay, current address. Now click on create and open. Click on create and open. So how will you create a page or page list or page group properties? Click on property type. Here now you can see the page or page list or page group. Now I'm selecting a single page, and then need to specify the page definition and a class name, and class name you need to specify. What is the class name? Whatever, sir, class name, page definition means whatever class properties now you want to access. Okay, whatever class properties now you want to access into in this class, whatever class properties now you want to access into in this class, we will specify the page class name. We will specify the class name bc hyphen data hyphen address. bc hyphen data hyphen address. Okay, now this is bc hyphen data hyphen address class. Now I specified and click on save. Sir, now again this is also basic thing. Please try to understand. Sir, I created the property, current address property. Sir, whatever properties are available in this class, not only in this class, whatever properties are available in bc-data-address class or bc-data class or bc class, we can access whatever properties are available in bc-data-address class, whatever properties are available in bc-data or bc class, we can access into in this current class current class rules with this page reference with this page reference. Okay, clear everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay, again I am going to create one more page property. Okay, again same story. Sir, now again, sir, now different context and sir, different context. If I ask Suman and tell me your details, means Suman context, Suman details are different, my details are different, even both are gender also. Sir, his details different, my details are different, my qualification is different, Suman qualification is different, Suman role is different, my role is different. Yes or no? Similar way, sir, now I'm creating two pages, and the same class properties now I'm accessing. Sir, whatever data I'm going to enter in the current address, data is different. Whatever data I'm going to enter in this page context, now okay, this is different. Okay, again here also, whatever properties are available in these classes and inherited classes, we can access into current class rules with this page reference. Okay, again I'm going to create one more property. Okay, is it current and permanent address. Okay, address is same. Now click on create and open. Sir, this one now I'm creating like a radio button property. Now I'm creating this one like a radio button property. You can give yes or no properties, yes or no values. Click on save. Okay, fine. Now I created the properties and okay, now you can cancel. Now you can close all. Sir, how it is looking like your page properties? Now you can observe here. How it is looking like your page property. Expand your data model. Now here you can see. Sir, when you are creating a page or page list or page group properties, it will be like that. You can see additional row. Okay, additional. Okay, one option like a row option. Okay, you can click here. You can see the expand. Just you can click on this one, it will expand, and then you can see whatever class you referred, whatever class you specified under page definition, that class related properties now we can see. Sir, how we will get to know whether it is a page property or page list property? If you click on this one, it will open that property. Okay, here itself you can see whether it is a page or page list like that. Okay, similar way, now here also now I can see permanent address. Okay, permanent address now here you can see. Okay, fine. Now what I will do is I will create a sections, and first we will prepare a UI. Okay, again same. Okay, I'm creating separate sections for billing address, separate section for current address, separate section for permanent address. Okay, current address details, current address details. This is my section. Now you can access the properties. Sir, how we can access page properties? How we can directly we cannot drag the page properties and remember, directly we cannot drag the page properties like that. Okay, we cannot drag. Even if you are dragging like that, also we cannot drag. Sir, how we can map these page properties means, okay, now again here, even if you click on convert to full editor section also, okay, one I will explain like that, another one will with the templates I will explain. Okay, now I click on convert to full editor section. Now directly we cannot drag the properties like that, page properties or page list properties. So now up previously you know how to map the single properties and single properties. So now you will get to know how we will map page properties. Go to the data capture, same only. Okay, data capture. Now you can include, okay, how many controls you want, what is the type of the control you want. You can drag those controls. Okay, you can drag those controls. Sir, now here you can give how we can refer page properties. Select this property panel. Okay, click on gear icon. It will open a property panel. Here you can give the current address, current address, current address dot
Address
current
line
address
1.
dot address line 1 dot current address dot address line 1. Now see here how I'm giving a dot current address dot current address 1. Okay, address line, see dot, you can give here like that, give the dot and give the page name, give the page name. Always we can access whatever physically, whatever properties you are creating in our application, you want to access those properties into any of the rule. How we will access is give the dot symbol, whether it is a page or page list or page group or else normal single properties, give the dot symbol. If it is a page properties, okay, in a section or else any other rule, first first try to map page properties with dot symbol. After that, again after page property, again you can give the dot symbol. After that you can see page definition class related properties. Okay, this is the way to map the page property. Okay, any questions how to map page properties? Whoever new to Pega, how to map the page properties, any questions?
Yes, we will map only this scenario will happen only if we add the values in data types, right?
If you add properties in a data
No, no,
type.
not properties. I joined the class late today by
um,
10 minutes. What I'm asking is, you have added some in data types, right? The values you have added in data types, address line 1, address line 2. So when we will refer this data class, during that time only we will map in this way, right?
During that way we can map. See,
Can you click on data type? Yeah.
I created one data type. In this data type we added the properties. You can think
Yes.
that these are the common properties.
Okay.
Okay,
This is
these
okay.
are the common properties related to address. Now we want to capture the address when you are processing the case. So now I'm
Okay.
processing your loan request. Now I want to capture your address, current address and permanent address. Hello.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, now I created one data type and then I declared some properties here.
Okay.
Okay, now I want to access these properties. This class is different. How I can access into my, okay, work class. Okay, directly we cannot access. Okay, for that purpose, how we can access? Either we can access through pages or else page list or page group properties. We can access one class properties into another class. Sir, page properties means single page with multiple properties. Say billing address means you will capture only one address. Current address means you will capture only one address only, not like multiple. Okay,
Okay.
so for that purpose, I created two page properties. One is the current address and another one is a permanent address. Sir, with those pages, now I'm referring properties in a section.
Okay.
Sir, this
Yes.
data, now again, I'm going to ask you where we can see this data in a clipboard, in a PY workplace or inside the PY workplace or outside the PY workplace. Come on. Sir, where we can see this data in a clipboard. Now I'm going to enter data in a UI with this
Inside the
current
POI
uh,
inside the POI
uh,
Inside
yeah,
PA. Yes.
Why?
Or it will create a separate page
Because
called custom with address.
Yes. Sir, it will create one page with customer address. That page also where it will create inside the PO workpage. Why inside the PO workpage means how you are mapping with the dot symbol you are mapping. With the dot symbol means always I told that whether it is a page or a page list or else page group. If you are mapping through UI or else any activity with dot symbol, always all page information, page list information, page group information available inside the PO workpage. Okay, already we discussed this one. I updated in notepad also, right? Okay.
Yes.
Sir, I have one doubt. Like, if like as of now, like we created section in home loan, right?
Mm.
And we created that property current address. That property is also in home loan only we created. So, if I created that current address property in different class, example personal loan, so can I use in that way? Like whether it will work or not? Like in home loan section, can you, if I created one property of type page in another class, maybe personal loan, so can I use in that way?
No, just
Will
you can rethink whether you are doing the best way or not. Just you can rethink. Sir, why you will access from work class to data class? Why you will access from work? Why you will create a properties here and then why you will try to access into your data class?
okay, as we want to access in it in our
Uh,
case type, okay, case,
it's a wrong, right?
okay.
Okay, now again I'm creating one more permanent address details. Permanent address details. Now click on create and open. Okay, click on create and open. This one here also, okay, we will map the properties with the template also. You can map the properties. Again, same permanent address. Okay, dot address line one. Address line two. Okay, address line three. Okay, state name. Okay, state name, country name, and postcode. Okay, now we map the properties. Click on save. Okay, I created two separate sections. Okay, now we will create a main section. Okay, now I'm creating a main section. So now you will get to know how we can access. For example, just like you can reusability purpose, collect address details. Okay, collect address details. Now click on create and open. Now I want to access Okay, now I want to access this one. Okay, these two sections into in this section. So here, if you want to access one, okay, one section to another section. Okay, if you want to call from one section to another section, there is already one section is available. Okay, that section you want to call into in our section. Or else in a real-time point of view, what we will do is we will create one common section. In the common section itself, we will include multiple sections for UI purpose. Okay, at that time, how we will call from one section to another section is go to the structural and then you can access embedded page. Just you can drag this one. After that, here you can call this section. Sir, here you can see there are different ways we can call from one section to another section. Use current page context means whatever section you created, that section is available in this context. In this context means whether your section is available in home loan or else work class means up to here, or else up to here, or else up to here, means all your parent classes, all our parent classes sections we can call. And even Pega OOTB. So within the inheritance path, you can call here. Here you can see one more option, use data pages. Sir, use data pages means, sir, we can create a section in a data here itself. We can create a section in this data class itself. Okay, we can create a section in this data class itself here through data page reference. What we will do is we will create some okay data pages, some dummy data pages. Okay, through the data pages we can refer. Okay, we can refer into in this current class, or else okay we can use the clipboard page with page reference also. Sir, we will create one section in this class and then okay we will create one page property here. With that page property, okay we will specify, okay we will specify the class name and then page name. Okay, through that class name and page references we can call. Okay, sir, now here user defined page. Okay, now again here give the date symbol. Sir, now I created okay personal a permanent address. Now give the option of see here. Sir, now whatever sections, okay, 1 minute, okay, why it is this the required property for this page context option is have a content, the name of the page will use it for this section. Okay, sir, here now whatever data is available in this section in the clipboard with this property, that property in this property contains all the data. Whatever section you are referring here, that property, that section related content will be available here. Sir, there are different ways we can call from one section to another section. Okay, one section to another section means through data pages, through clipboards, through clipboard page. Physically we will create a page property and then through this clipboard page we can access, through data pages also we can access. Okay, sir, now I created a page property. Through page property I formed the UI in my work class itself. Now I'm accessing my section here. Okay, you can go here data capture and embedded section. This is the one way. Sir, in case if you are using a template, okay, if you are using a template here itself, you can see now I'm changing a template format to 3 layout. Here now you can access. Okay, now here again go here, go to the go to the data display. You can select the embedded section. Now I'm calling whatever section we created. Okay, current address details. Now here, okay, here now I'm include one radio button property. Okay, now we created one radio button property. I'm including this one. Here you can include that radio button property. Is it we link current and permanent address same? Now here one more property, okay, one more section we created. That section also we can include permanent address. Sir, now I created created separate sections for current address, separate section for permanent address, and then I access those two properties into my main section, or else single section itself we can include. Single section itself we can include all the properties. Okay, sir, okay, I created a section. After that I will create a flow action. I will create a flow action, collect address details. Collect address details. Now click on create and open. Here we will call this section collect address details. Okay, sir. Now either you want to create a separate process for this address, or else include within the case type. Include within the case type. Now I'm opening this case type. You want to include within the case type means now open this one. You can include, and now I'm including within the case type. Okay, within the case type, now I'm going to include this home loan also. Now here after this one, what I will do is okay, before going to employee info and income info, I'm going to include okay one more assignment. Okay, one more assignment. Okay, you can give the assignment name, label name. See, okay, oh, 1 minute. I will not give assignment name. I will tell you why I'm asking you to give the assignment name. Here, now you can give this one, collect address details. Collect address details. Now go to your case type. Now go to your case type. Now you can observe here. I didn't give the assignment name, and now tell me how it is looks like. Hello?
Blank.
Blank. Okay, now create a case. Now create a case. Okay, now see what assignment you are in. What assignment you are in?
Personal
Personal
info.
info.
Personal info.
For personal info. Now go here, go to the next screen. Okay, now see here. Now what is the assignment now you are in?
Select
Current
address.
address.
Now current address details. Whether current address is your assignment name?
No.
No.
No. Sometimes we will write a when conditions with your assignment name, and okay, task label, task name in our new assign page. See, if you want to give some proper names at that time, what we will do is not only this one. Okay, here you can see this one also. Someone want to review your case type. How it is looks like now here. What we will do is when you are modifying any flow diagram, any decision shape, or else here now I gave like that. Now give some meaningful description here. Meaningful description. What is the use of this utility? Okay, what is the use of this utility? Okay, simply don't add any shapes in a flow. You can give some assignments names. Okay, now here now I want to collect address info. Now I'm giving address info. Okay, now see. Sir, now what is our requirement now here? Sir, now I am entering some data here. I am entering some data. If I select yes, then automatically need to copy. If I click on no, then user will enter manually. Sir, now this data, okay, now I enter some data. Here also now I am going to enter some data. We will check in a clipboard where we can see this data in a clipboard. Now you can click on submit and go to the clipboard. Go to the clipboard. Okay, go to the clipboard, come down. Sir, where we can see, sir, is in billing address and is it billing and shipping address same? How I mapped that property? It's a single property, and that is a single property I mapped. Sir, where we can see in a PY workpage, I can see in a PY workpage, is it bill current and permanent address is same? Single property. Say, sir, what about page properties where we can see inside this one? Now we can see py workpage. Sir, how we mapped? Dot current address dot address line 1 dot current address dot current address address line 1. Okay, if you are giving a dot symbol, okay, it will consider like a py workpage is the primary. Py workpage dot current address. Wherever you want to access this current address data, you can refer like that, py workpage dot current address. Now we can see the data, right? And same here also you can see the data, right? Permanent address.
Yes, yes.
Now we can see the permanent address. Sir,
Arjun,
so yes.
state name under permanent page there is state name. State name primary page is permanent address, and permanent address primary page is pure workplace, right?
Again repeat.
State name
uh,
primary page is permanent address, and
no, no,
permanent
state name permanent, okay, primary page is the
permanent address,
permanent address. You are telling
and
same one, right? Okay.
permanent address primary
Primary
page
page is
is
py
pure.
workpage. Exactly.
Okay.
Okay, na? Fine, sir. Now see, now the addresses are different. Okay, addresses are different. Now, okay, addresses are different. Now we can see the different pages. Okay, for example, both are same. Both are same. How we will copy? Now go to your work class. Now here I am going to create a data transform. Okay, now I am going to create a data transform to copy the data. Okay, copy the data, copy address details. Copy address details. Now click on create and open. Click on create and open. Here, how we will copy? Sir, for okay, just like you were okay, even yesterday also Sucharita asked, right? Someone asked, sir, some places, even Anuja also asked, some places we will use py workpage, some places we will not use. So based upon the context, we will refer py workpage. Okay, if it is not required, no need to specify also. Just like whoever new to Pega, for those people, now I'm telling that even you can remove also, no issues on it. Go to the pages and classes. Now for example, okay, my data is available, sorry, your activity, your data transform you created in work class itself, no need to specify. Just but just like understanding purpose, now I'm specifying the py workpage. Sir, wherever you are referring a py workpage, whatever rule you are going to refer py workpage is the standard page. And standard page means as it is, you need to give. Py small means py small, W capital, P capital. Okay, remember this point, sir. Okay, wherever you want to refer py workpage, at that time give the small py small, W capital, P capital, and then your py workpage is pointing to what class, you can specify that class name. Your py workpage is pointing to what class, why you are specifying, you will get to know, sir, my data is available with this space, inside this space. Okay, now go here. Now you want to copy, do you want to copy always? Come on, do you want to copy always from a current address to your permanent address?
No.
No.
No. Now for okay, when condition is satisfied, sir, now for that purpose, now I'm creating one when condition. Okay, check address copy. Check address copy. Now what is the when condition we will add?
Is current
Is current
address
address same as permanently?
Is current address
Is true.
is true, not true value. See, now this is the radio button property.
Yes.
Yeah.
Radio button property, yes or no. Okay, now I'm giving like a yes. Okay. Okay, go here. Okay, sir, now first one. Sir, now how I'm going to add these actions? Now we can observe. Okay, when sir, now see, okay, what is the when condition? If this when condition is true, if this when condition is true, now what is your requirement? Update the page. Update the page. From where you want to update. Sir, now here you can observe in a clipboard. In case billing this one current address and permanent address both are same. In case current address and permanent address both are same. See, from here, py workpage dot current address you want to copy to your permanent address. Now you can observe here with values from down arrow in your keypad, whatever page name you specified here. Sir, this is the page. Sir, in this page, see, this is the page. Page name dot, how I'm referring. Now, if you observe here, py workpage dot permanent address, py workpage dot current address. Okay, even without giving a py workpage also it will work, and don't worry. Just like you can refer like that, you can remove. Why? Because this data transform we created in this class only. Okay, it will allow. Now easily you can understand. Okay, now we are copying from py workpage to current address. To what page you are copying? Now py workpage to permanent address.
Okay.
Ah, sir, here current address of in the current address page contains current address page contains what properties? These properties. Okay, now these properties. Sir, now here you can see. Okay, now we can add. Okay, understand. Py workpage dot current address of, see, current address of address line 1 to permanent address of address line 1. Sir, current address of address line 1 you are copying to permanent address of address line 1. Okay, everyone mapping. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, clear, right? Mapping, how you are mapping? Sir, current address of address line 1 you are mapping to your permanent address of address line 3. Sir, like that now we are mapping one by one. Okay, now we can map. Sir, where we will call this activity? Sorry, data transform.
Radio.
On that
Section.
the
radio
section.
button.
Okay, in the section.
Section.
Okay.
Section on the radio. So if you specify page name specifically like this, like PY, so since we specified PY workpage in the page and classes, and here, is there any performance impact on the while runtime, whether this data transform
See,
will take more time than the previous one, or
why? Because why people will ask you to recommend, don't recommend this one is when you are upgrading at that time we will get the issues.
Mhm.
To avoid that type of things, okay, they will ask you to remove the pages.
Means if in the next version, if the PY workpage is up,
No, no,
uh,
pay will be available. Sometimes that context it will not recognize.
okay,
Okay, anyone. At that time, you can give the primary, right? If you are giving
yeah,
a primary,
you
safe
can
only.
give primary,
Hmm.
yeah,
Now you didn't hurt good. Even people will tell like that. Now you can give the primary. Sometimes top old versions, mostly we will use top only. Sir, now
yeah,
whether you very rare, right? Top.
yeah,
Sometimes it will not support. Now what we are doing, mostly we are using primary keyword.
yeah.
Okay, now sir, it is copying the data from current address to permanent address. And now go to the section. Okay, now we will call in this button. Okay, in this radio button, go to the actions. This is the radio button property, right? And click, refresh the section and call your data transform, whatever data transform you created. Okay, whatever data transform you created. Okay, now you can create a case. Now here you can see, okay, now here you can see, now I'm going to enter some data. Okay, click on yes. So now it will copy the data from this page to this page. In case, okay, sir, now I clicked. In case user clicked on no at that time, now see, okay, what he will do, he will manually, he will erase and then he will enter. Sir, now if you don't want to give, okay, now in case by mistakenly clicked on yes, it is copying. In case no means, in case if is there any data is available here, you want to clear means go here again. Either end, I'm telling right, yesterday itself, see here, you can use one property or else see one way. One way is directly, you can remove that page. See now I'm not using, see now I'm not using, see here now, oh sorry, otherwise, right, here we will give the otherwise condition. Now I'm giving otherwise. Sorry, if it is yes, okay, copy the data. Otherwise, now what I am doing is permanent address. Entire page itself you can remove. Entire page itself you can remove. This is the one way. Okay, now I'm removing this entire page. Now go here and select this one, copying. Now is there any data is available? By mistake like clicked on yes, it is copying a data. And no, now we can clear this data and then you can enter manually. Or else either you can single step itself, now you are clearing. Okay, or else sir, one by one property now you want to remove means again all are same only, right, everyone? Hello.
Yes.
Okay, sir,
Yeah.
why you want to specify one property separately?
Yeah.
If you remove that entire page, automatically in that page whatever properties are available it will remove. Okay, see, when we will do this one, in case if you want to remove or if you want to clear only some specific property values from that page at that time you can do like that. Okay, instead of removing the entire page, whatever properties are available, instead of removing all the properties, you want to remove specific properties from that page. At that time, you can specify page name dot property name like that. Okay, now? Okay, this one also fine. So now go here and click on yes, it is copying the data, and no. Okay, again, if I click on yes, now user is able to modify the data. In case if you don't want to give the option to modify, go here, select this section.
Read
Select,
only.
we can make this property, this one as a read only. Go to the presentation and select it as a read only when and condition. Okay, what is the condition? Okay, address copy, check address copy. Sir, now you are okay, you are changing the read only conditions based upon some condition. You are making the properties as a read only. Now select this one. Now we can see editable format and click on yes. Okay, now they cannot modify this data. Now they cannot modify. In case if I click on no, okay, now address both are not same. Now I will enter separately. Okay, this is the way. Now you know how to copy the data from one page to another page, and now you know how to copy the data from one page to another page. Okay, next example. Okay, again I'm going to
Sir,
close all.
here in this step 1.1,
Mm, yes, yes.
uh, uh, can we directly copy direct page values to direct page values instead of taking set? I mean,
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, I will close all. Sir, that's why, right? If I tell like that, do you don't know about page? Hello.
mhm.
Okay. Single step. That's it. See, now I'm copying directly. This is also one property. This is also one property. Okay. Now go click on, go here. I'm in the same screen, right? Okay.
Okay. so that data that page acts like property, and we can directly copy that property to permanent page property.
Yes. Okay,
Okay.
again, remember, I will tell you. Sir, this is also interview question and generally what we will say, how we will copy the page, one page data to another page data, or else one page list to another page list. This one, interview point of view, people will ask you. Whatever he asked, right? Bro, I want to copy entire. Sir, at a time I want to copy. What we will do? See, if someone is going to ask you, hey, I want to copy data from one page list to another page list. How we will do? Sir, what I will do is I will loop my page list property and then each page data we will copy. Or else I will use append and map to, and I will specify my target property and then source property, and whatever properties data we want we will copy. Okay, people will ask you, hey, that page list contains 1,000 results. The people will tell you page list contains 10,000 results. Then 10,000 times it will loop, or like it will take a time, right? It will give the performance issue, right? Okay, I want to copy at a time. At a time, I want to copy my page list results from this page to this page list, or else my page contains 20, 30 properties at a time. All the properties values I want to copy into my target page. Okay, at that time you can say that, sir, directly we can specify set, I will take that, and then target and source pages we will specify like that, and just like interview seek purpose. Okay na? Clear?
Okay.
Even
Okay.
page list also at a time without looping, you want to copy all the properties, from this one to this one. At that time we can use like that, and okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm
Sir,
ready.
then it is mandatory like in both the properties name should be same in target one and source
No,
one. Like
not name, context classes should be the same.
fine, fine, okay, fine.
Okay, context classes, see, when you are using this one, context should be same.
Okay.
Okay, page definition classes should be the same, and this class. Okay, otherwise we cannot access. And
Sir,
Sir,
and what if in target one we have like some more properties, like I have some pin code and all, but in source I don't have pin code. So in that time, like how it will work? Like in source I don't have that pin code, but in target one, if I'm directly setting it, then in whatever the extra property I have in target, so will
how it
it
is,
be?
how it is possible? Sorry, your
Mm,
context class should be the same class, right?
yeah.
Your context class both are same or not? At that time only it will allow to map like that, right?
Okay.
Okay, at that time what we will do? You will use this one. Okay, see, we created
Context class
permanent.
is okay.
Uh,
Uh, Properties are different. Means there are some additional properties in target that are
how?
not there in source.
Yeah, that's I'm
See
asking.
here, what is
How
the
many?
class you are specifying?
Address, yeah. Yeah, sir. Is in this case, we are using same
Okay,
data.
we'll do one thing. Just take it.
no, no. Sar is saying like in address, if we give only five properties, we are mapping for the next page also same address. So that will also have five properties only, right? That's what Sar is.
Yeah, but in both like target and source, we use now we use same data. That's why it's same. Like whatever we give in source, that will directly get copied. But if we use different sources, then
Different sources means
different data types, sorry. Like if one, like now you use address, if I'm creating another one, and that if
at
I'm
that
now
time it
you
will
are
not
creating.
map. It will not map, and the same properties you want to access. See,
Mhm.
now you are giving here address, and again you are giving some more different class. How Pega knows? Array, this property value. For example, just you can think that post code I gave here, and here post like that I gave. Okay, 1 minute I will tell you. Calm down.
I think they want to create the page property in that class context, right?
Okay,
And
now page one
Yeah.
and page two. Okay, I will tell you. Okay, I will create one. Okay, 1 minute. I will tell you. I will create one page property again, one more data class, and then I will explain. Then you will get to know clear picture.
Mm.
Okay. So now here, now this example is fine. Next example is address properties. Go here. Address means okay, this one. Okay, dependent information, and then on click on add dependent. I want to copy the dependent details. Okay, this is my requirement. Again, sir, it depends when you are processing the case also. This one also what I am doing is I'm going to create one data type. Okay, I'm going to create one data type to collect the dependent details. Okay, anyone can reuse this data type property if I create in a top level. Here now you can add dependent name. Okay, dependent name. Okay, dependent age. Okay, dependent location and relationship. First now going to prepare a UI. Okay, this UI, right? Okay, what we will do, and this one also list of dependent details also. Now we want to show in a UI. Okay, click on save. Okay, now click on save. Now we'll discuss. Okay, now previously, okay, now Anisha, whatever you people asked, right? Now you can observe here. I created one page property. Okay, where is the page sample page property I created right just now? Okay, so whether I created sample page. Okay, I will create. Okay, before going to discuss about this okay, sample page. Okay. Mm. Okay, and this is the one data class now I created. Fine. I'm going to create one more page, sample one page. Now, do you want to specify? Shall I specify this one?
Yeah, yes, 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 sir. Yeah.
Okay, now okay, I will create one dummy data transform. Okay, just like for testing purpose. Okay, what I am doing is sample dot address line one. Okay, fine. Okay, now okay, I'm specifying sample sample one. Okay, now run this one. Ah, hello?
Yes, sir.
Whether it is copied.
No,
Why?
because both like it is not belong to the same class. The data.
Okay, that is the one reason. Second one, how Pega knows, array, address line 1, please map to dependent name. Address line 2,
Okay,
map to
fine.
dependent name, like that.
Fine.
Okay, now for example, if I give like that, if I give like that, whether it will map or not.
Yeah, yes. Now it will work.
Okay, now you know when we can use update page. Okay, na?
Yeah, yeah. Like update page, like if it is in same context, both target and source, then we can go for that one.
Directly at a time it will copy the data.
Else we have to use set
Hmm.
if it is not belongs to the same classes. Fine, fine. Yeah.
Okay, see when you are writing a logic so many times and for example, sir, my database contains 10 to results. Okay, this one when we will do is, sir, my database giving 10 results or 20 results, bro. Okay, I want to copy those 20 results into some temporary page. After that, from the temporary page, I want to do something. I want to update, and then I want to save the data. At that time, people what they will do is, okay, even you can observe in your okay, get customer details dot px results. People what we will do is, instead of looping they will go here, and then here you can specify some temp page, and then temp page dot px results. Okay, no need to loop. And so now same database class name only we will specify. Database class name, you can observe your logics. Sometimes we will do like that. If you observe, why interview point of view people will ask you is for this purpose.
And
So
we
now
use append to map also, right?
no, that one I will discuss Sunday. Okay, one separate concept. We can use the append and map too.
Sure, sure,
In
sure.
this page context point of view, is it required to use the append?
No.
Oh, sorry. You are asking about to copy the data from page to page. This one. See,
That's what
no.
yeah.
This one how we will use and what is the target property?
Okay, okay.
Only from page to page list. Your target always should be the page list. You
Okay.
cannot use. Okay, sir. Okay, now whatever question, right, here you can, why people will ask you how we can copy one page list data to another page list data at a time means for this purpose. Sometimes your page list results, your data page results, or your report representation results temporarily we will create one temporary pages here for logic purpose. After that we will remove these temporary pages, end of the logic. And then you want to loop these results, we will do like that. Okay, everyone.
Okay.
Okay. I will discuss also, sir, now sections how we can call from data type section into work class also. Okay, we'll discuss Sunday. Okay, next example we'll discuss about this one. Dependent name, dependent age, location, and relationship. Right now I want to form the UI. Okay, now tell me, sir, now here in this context point of view, okay, what is the type of the property we'll create? Come on. What is the type of the property now we will create? Now I, okay, here, uh,
Page list.
okay, here, now I'm going to, please again observe, bro. Okay, try to observe. Sir, now here I'm entering some data. Okay, now how UI is looks like? Sir, this is the one thing like that. You can think like that. Ah, sir, now what is the type of the property will create? Come on, now you want to form this UI. What is the type of the property you will create? Page list or page property?
Page one.
A page property. Why?
Yes.
Because every time you will enter one dependent details, right?
Hmm.
Okay, one dependent details. Now I'm creating a page property, bro. First I'm creating a page property. Create a page property. Okay, dependent like that. I'm creating one page property. Okay, dependent. Click on create and open. BC hyphen data hyphen dependent. Click on save. Click on save. Now go here. Okay, now we will add those properties. Now here, this one now is not required, right? Sir, this one itself I will try to use. So Monday onwards, we'll discuss about database concepts. Okay. Saturday, Sunday, basics about class inheritance, rule availability, and rule resolution algorithm, rule set and rule set version. These things we'll discuss. Okay, na Monday onwards. Don't miss very important concepts. We will discuss from Monday onwards. And again, Monday onwards, you will daily basis you will get the assignments. Okay, I'm going to take one button also here. Okay, add dependent. Add dependent. Now click on segment. Sir, click on segment. So now you UI formed. Okay. Sir, now we can again second one. Second one, remember. Sir, okay. I'm entering some dependent details. For example, in my point of view, I have four dependents or five dependents. Five dependents. Sir, now what I will do, five times I will enter here and then I will click on every time. Here first I will enter my wife and click on add. Again I will enter my son, click on add. After that again I will enter my daughter, click on add. After that again I will enter my father, click on add. After that again I will enter my mother. Sir, now where you will store? Sir, now what I told here, okay, some list of dependents. See, my point of view, I want to store multiple dependents. Okay, na? Some other point of view, they are like unmarried. For their point of view, only three dependents. Three dependents. Some other point of view, six dependents. Sir, now you want to store multiple dependent details. Now tell me what is the type of the property now you will create.
Page list.
Okay, now what
List.
type of the property in this scenario? Again, now I'm creating a page list property and okay, create a page list property. Please understand and why now again he is creating a page list. Whatever now I am adding a dependent details. Now I want to store those results into my page my somewhere else. Okay, where somewhere means page list property only. Okay, somewhere means page list property only. Page list property. Okay. Sir, now go here.
Dependent you took
Or whether it will work or not now. See, you got it right, bro. Once we saved again, it will not take. Dependent list. Sir, I created the page list property. How we will refer the page list property? Now you know single properties how we will map. Single properties how we will map, you know. Page properties, you know how to map in a UI. Now how we will map page list properties. Okay, this one also please remember. Okay, in a section under table layout, and we will map the page list properties through page, okay, this one table layout proper table layout. Same like a dynamic layout is available, right? Same like that, we have one more layout is available, table. Okay, if you want to map page list properties, page list or else page group properties in a section, then we will, okay, we will take table layout. Okay, we will take a table layout. Okay, then we will take a table layout. Sir, table layout in a section. Sir, now go to the same data capture here. Sir, now in the same UI itself, here structural, here you can see the structural. Now I'm going to take a table layout. Take a table layout, you can drag here. Sir, how we in this table layout, we have a different sources are available. When I'm going to explain about the database concepts, at that time I will explain. Go to the structural and then you can take a table layout. Okay, when you are dragging a table layout here, it looks like that. Okay, it looks like that. Now you can select a table layout. Select this table layout. Okay, here we have a different sources are available. Here we have a different sources are available. Property means, okay, we will give page list or page group property. If you give the report definition, okay, report definition class name and report definition name. If you give the database, okay, database name. Database means the list to database name you will specify. Okay, now I'm mapping a page list property. Give the dot symbol. Now whatever page list property you created, you can give that page list property dependent list. Sir, now this page list properties data also where we can see in a clipboard. Where we can see this page list property data in a clipboard.
PY workpage.
PY
Under
workpage. Inside the PY workpage we can see.
Inside your page.
Okay. Inside the PY workpage we can see. Okay. Now I'm adding here. Sir, now here, oh sorry, without explanation, right? First I will delete. Hmm, sorry. Sir, now when you are dragging, okay, table layout, you can map the table layout to some page list property. Here you can see, okay, oh, this table layout we map it to page list property. That page list property is available in bc-data- dependent. Okay, again here also. Sir, when we will use the table layout, whenever you want to display multiple records in a UI. Okay, again I will write, whenever you want to display multiple records, display multiple records in a UI, then we will add table layout in a section. Sir, whenever you want to display multiple records, at that time we will take a table layout. Sir, now here once you mapped, okay, this table layout to page list property, or else here you can see two rows. This is the one row, this is the another row. See, my requirement is, okay, for example, my table contains 10 rows, 10 columns. Okay, sir, now I asked someone, Suman, could you please display, okay, two columns data. Okay, now are you going to add 10 columns or two columns? Are you going to add 10
Two
columns?
columns.
Only two columns only. Okay, how many columns data now you want? You can add that many columns. Select this one. Either you can select this one, right click and insert a column left or right. This is the one way. Or else in the top, you can cut or paste or copy. Here you can see. Okay, when you are going to right click and you can add like that. How many you want, you can add. and then down row, right? This is the down row. Down row, we will map the properties. Okay, we will map the properties, give the dot symbol, give the dot symbol, and give the property name. Give the property name. Click on. Sir, now again here, label name. Sir, here we will map the properties. Now see here, automatically now I'm able to see bc-data independent. Okay, that bc-data dependent properties now I'm able to access with, okay, in this, okay, in this section, in the, my section is available in work-home loan. How I'm able to access my page list is belongs to, okay, belongs to data-dependent. That page list I created in my work-home loan class. Now I'm able to access. Sir, now here in a down row, we will map the page properties, and above one, right, we can give the label name. Again, you can select here, you can give the label name. Sir, now dependent name. Okay, dependent name. Click on submit. Again, here, now either you can open or else type. You can
There
directly,
is a value or level for what is
yes,
that?
you can create a field value.
Okay, okay.
Okay, dependent. Okay, dependent yes, like that you can enter. Okay, dependent. Okay, dependent location. Sir, above one label names. Okay, we will map label names, and here now we can give a relationship. In the down rows, okay, now here, go here, and then you can map, okay, age property. Here, okay, relationship. Okay, now I'm mapping all the properties here. Now click on relationship. Click this one, select this one, click on submit. Okay. Sir, now my UI is ready. Okay, now my UI is ready. Now go here and refresh. Okay, now observe here. Sir, now here, when whatever data now I'm going to enter here, if I click on this button, automatically now I want to copy here. Again, I will enter some more data, and again, okay, click on this one. Okay, now I need to copy the data. Okay, now you can think and tell me, sir, whatever data I'm entering here, where we can see this data? In a clipboard, where we can see?
Inside PY workplace.
Inside PY workspace. With what page?
Dependent.
Dependent.
Dependent page. Okay. Dependent page. Dependent page is the page property. What about this one, bro?
Page
Ah,
list property.
page list. Sir, now this is the page property. This is the page list property. What do you want to do? You want to copy the data from, you want to
Page to
copy the
From page to page list.
page to page list. What is the options you will select?
Append,
append to
append,
Here,
append.
append.
Okay. Now
If
see,
set
copy,
class.
copy dependent details. Copy dependent details. Now click on create and open either of the one. Sir, there are two ways, right? Append and appendant map to. Sir, now I selected append to, and sir, now you want to copy the data from where? Where?
page to page.
Existing
Okay, now
Page.
I'm
Here
selecting the
in
existing page. What
page.
is the page? What is the page? Dependent.
Dependent.
Yeah.
Sir, at a time, if you use the append to, at a time it will copy the data. And same like previously, both should be again. Both should be
Same.
same context classes. Uh,
Same class context.
Sir, then only now already we proved also just now. Okay, now here you can say both are belongs. Sir, whatever properties or properties data is available, all the data it will copy to your page list. Okay, sir, now where we will call this one? Uh,
On add dependent that
in
button.
a
On this
section
one.
under this one. Okay, in a
Section, yeah.
section. Go here. Now see here, now I'm entering, sir, now here, kid one. Sir, when I'm going to click this one, now it is adding, right? Hello?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, okay, again what I will do, again, okay, now see here, I will enter two. Sir, see, again if I want to add one more, sir, I'm clearing, right? I'm clearing. Sir, instead of clearing manually, sir, instead of that, once you copied, is it possible to clear this data automatically?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Sir,
Possible.
now, okay, how we will do now?
Remove
Remove the.
page.
Okay,
We'll remove the dependent.
where we will add remove page.
Um, After, like,
After,
we have to give one when condition. When
After
it
append.
is not blank,
after append in the
then
bottom.
Sir, now here directly no need when condition right now. See, now I'm using okay. Sir, now I'm using, now you can specify directly. Okay, now.
Yes. Yes.
Now go here. Now you can enter. See, now automatically it is clearing from above, right? Come on. Sir, now same here. Instead of using this one, what is the one more way? I'm disabling this step. What is one more way?
Dependent map to.
Okay, append and map to. Now here you can use append and map to. Use the append and map to existing page. Now you can copy here. But if you are using this append and map to, what
We need
we need to do now?
to set
We
each
need
and every
to
property.
map each and every properties. Each and every, sorry, even additional properties also. Additional proper. What is the advantages of append and map to means? Sir, not only from source property, I want to copy some additional properties data also. Sir, additional properties data also. Yes or no? We can do or not? Ah,
Yes.
sir, your target page. Okay, you want to include one more. I will show you. Then you will get to know. Sir, my dependent page contains these three properties, bro. Now I copied like that. Okay, either you can do like that also. Now go here. Now again I'm going to add. Okay, I'm going to add. Sir, now it is adding here. Okay, sir, now list of dependent details. Now it is adding. Okay, now go here. Sir, now here some additional property. Now see here. Now some additional property. Um, any date property and what we will do. Dynamically also we can capture based upon the age value, we can capture the data. Okay, we have one more function, add to data. Okay, function is available as of now, just like see here. Sir, whether you are getting a value, come on. Sir, whether you are getting this value from your source page. Hello?
No. No. Sir. No.
No, but additional properties you are appending into your new page list, means your source page list. Agree? Come on. It's
Yes.
possible, right? Like that also we can do. Date of birth. Now see. See what is the advantage means, sir, additional properties also we can include if you are using append. Is it possible to, okay, is it possible to include additional properties when you are copying from source to your target page with append and map to? Sir, append to.
No.
No.
Okay, now I'm adding here. Now you can see. Sir, now I can see, right? Now, everyone. UI I'm not capturing, but it is now it is capturing data also, right? Okay.
Yes.
Sir, okay. Without entering any data, now I'm going to click on it. Sir, it is allowing blank. Is it fine? Ah,
No.
without without entering
No.
some blank rows it is adding. Sir, now I want to restrict. Sir, in case there is no data is available, he is trying to click on submit, trying to click on this button. At that time, I want to show some error message. Okay, when he is going to click on this button, I want to show some error message. If there is no data is available, blank rows automatically it is adding. And okay, you will submit means it will be like a wrong, right? In this page list contains 10 dependents. Some dependent it is showing a blank like that. Some dependent it is showing like a blank. Okay, now how we will do? How we will restrict? How we will show the error message? Okay, now go here. Okay, now okay, one of the option how we can show the error messages in a property level. Now you know how we can show the error messages by using in a page level. Okay, now see go here. Now in the same data transform. Sir, when you will show the error message? Ah, when you will show the error message?
No data.
Dependent data is
It's
empty.
all
And it is blank.
Before, sir, where we will add before adding or after adding?
before adding.
Before adding. Sir, now here, now I'm going to check here. When condition, again you can write a when condition. When, sir, here itself what I'm going to do is like a dependent dot dependent name. Sir, any one of the property, okay, any one of the property is null value. Or I'm giving a two pipe symbols. Or dot again dependent name dot dependent is equal to null. R. Okay, dot.
much. Name your
Uh, oh, sorry, sorry.
based on dependent.
Okay, okay, bro. Okay, okay, fine. Sir, any one of the property value is null. I don't want to allow. Okay, dependent location equal to null. Again, two pipe symbols. Give the dot dependent dot occur relationship. Okay. So now this is the when condition I updated. It just I will show you here also. Comment. I all or condition I gave one. Okay, now param dot error message. You can give any parameter in okay, any parameter. Now here you can click on this gear icon. We have a function is available. Okay, if you want to show the error message, add to add message to page.
Add add to
See
px
add
add
message to page.
message.
Add message to property.
No, no, add message to the page. In case now I want to show the error message in a page level. Sir, now you can give this one. Okay, click this one and primary. What is the message you want to show? Please enter dependent dependent details before clicking add dependent button. Okay, and what level you want to show this error message in a primary page level. Okay, now these are the two parameters now I'm passing. This is the function we will use to show the error message. Okay, sir, if it is the true, do you want to execute remaining steps? Ah,
No,
No.
exit that
no,
also.
I want to exit. Okay, go here by using okay Pega OTB function. We can show the error messages in a page level. Page level. Okay, we can use this function. Now see here whether it is okay. What happened? Dependent.
At last, N is missing.
Uh,
D-E-N.
okay, now go here whether it is allowing or not. Now you can see whether it is allowing now. Come on. Okay, I will refresh also. Now you will get to know clear. It will clear the data. See now here, if you click on this one, whether it is allowing blank row. Come on, whether it is allowing blank row. No, right?
No.
Now it is showing error message. Okay, now it is not allowing to add. Previously, now we are able to add, right? Previously.
Yes.
Okay, 1 minute. And okay, just I want to tell you. Okay, some
Here we
normal
can use local variable also, right?
local variable.
In
Why?
the parameter error param dot error message for the showing the error message.
Field value. Local message means, bro, what?
Yeah, yeah. You just open the data transform.
Mm.
Open the data transform. Yeah, instead of the param dot error message, we can use local dot error message. We just
Is it
storing the
possible to
message.
is it possible to declare the local
Here,
variables?
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. Only
Okay.
okay.
Okay, normal discussion, just like a 2 minutes. And okay, please observe. See, yesterday my previous batch student. Okay, even I don't have that much of confidence also with him. He asked me, last 2 days onwards, he's asked me, hey, I'm ready to give the mock interview like that. Keep on, he's asking. Last 2 days onwards. Okay, his background is entirely different. He's not, you don't know Pega. Okay, he is from testing background. He is from some testing background. He gave the mock interview yesterday. Even I also, okay, up to 20 classes and 20 classes I prepared. Okay, I'm ready to give the mock interview. Okay. Okay, when I asked him whatever I discussed up to data transforms, maybe up to tomorrow's class, whatever classes I discussed now with you people, he gave the mock interview. See the way of explanation and everything. So how in a real time point of view questions people will ask, right? Like that he is explaining. Even no by heart also. Whatever questions I am asking, okay, he didn't by heart anything. He don't have any experience. I'm telling. He don't have okay zero experience in Pega. Zero experience in Pega. Even I also don't have that much of confidence. He will tell that yes, bro, I'm preparing. Again, he will tell that I want job. I want to work as a Pega developer, bro. Please help me. Okay, I cannot help you. Whatever inputs required from me, already I provided. I don't have capability to offer a job. I have capability to give some subject, whatever inputs are required to attend your interviews or to work independently. That inputs 100% I will give. Already I gave to you. It's entirely depends on you. If you are not preparing, okay, fine. I don't see no care also. See, I gave the opportunity to you to learn Pega. Whatever main things are required, I explained end to end. I explained end to end. I explained. Now you can think yourself why you didn't prepare. Even I also shocked after completion of the interview. I told him directly, even I don't have any confidence on you. When you ask me whether he genuinely, whether he prepared, just like a time pass to satisfy me, okay, for that purpose only, simply he is asking me to take a mock interview to satisfy me or to get some good impression. Okay, for that purpose, simply he is asking, bro, take a mock interview. Bro, take a mock interview. After that, I asked yesterday again. I told him I'm ready to. Okay, okay, hands on also. Hands on also. I will give some scenarios you need to do. See, I want to check now. Whatever okay, I'm asking, you are explaining very clearly. It's good. Next one. I will give some scenarios in a live itself. Will join in this meeting. I will give the scenarios in front of me. You need to do those scenarios. She told that yes, bro, I'm ready. He told that yes, I'm ready. Now you can think that. See, he don't have. I'm telling her, he don't have seen Pega experience, and he don't have Pega experience. How he is explaining is some real time person. How he will explain similar like that he is explaining. Similar like that he is explaining. Now you can think yourself. Even many people who are joining, some of the people don't have job. Those people also will think that, bro, I'm not that much I don't know how to speak English. Okay, so due to some communication skills, okay, I have some fear to attend the interviews and all. Even you can think about myself, whether I'm speaking correctly. You can think I have a good experience, whether I'm speaking proper English. No, every sentence, so many grammar mistakes. Whether you people are considering those things. Come on, you people are able to understand, right? Whatever I'm explaining.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, clearly.
Because whatever I'm explaining, you are able to understand. You are able to understand, and you are doing the practice. Even I'm not discussing in Telugu. Everyone, see whatever you want to tell. Okay, if it is, if you are explaining like some how they will understand some simplified one, people can understand easily. Okay, he knows everything. He knows everything. Even I don't. I'm fearing to attend the mock interview. If you give only one mock interview, automatically I'm telling that four mock interviews. If you give one mock interview, two mock interview, third mock interview, fourth mock interview, automatically you will get some lot of confident, lot of confident. I will ask an interview point of view how they will ask you. Similar way I will ask, and then I will give the suggestion to you. Okay, you need to improve here. You need to improve here. In this place, you cannot explain. Don't explain like that. Even you don't have hands-on experience, also don't explain like that. Try to change. Try to change your explanation like that. If you are communicating very well without any subject, whether they will take you. Think like that. Whether they will take you.
No.
Sir, he is explain. Okay, his communication is very good. Okay, shall we take him? He will discuss with the client too well like that. No, they will not take you without subject. If you see your position is too okay, above LSA or top level, at that time they will check about your communication. You want to work as a developer or senior developer. Why they will check about your communication? They will check about always your technical skills. Some people are not giving a mock interviews because of this one. They are fearing, sir, I didn't give a mock interview throughout my career. This is the first time. How people will feel. If you're not trying, okay, see, you will be in the same position only. Why many people are continuing in the same company? Think. If you are getting onsite, fine. Okay, now we will get the onsites. We will continue. If you are continuing the same company, think yourself. There are two reasons: comfort. Even if I'm not doing, also people are supporting me. Okay, people are supporting me, and then I'm also continuing. No risk and all. What about your salary? You are compromising, right? Something. Yes or no? You are in a comfort zone, and then you are compromising. Okay, even I'm not doing work. Also, these people are not telling anything. I can continue. You are a youngster now, almost like if you are continuing like that, you will get some 10 years experience, 15 years experience. See, I'm explaining means, please think yourself. Why he is explaining? Why he is spending his personal time with us? I can improve myself within this 2 hours daily. Daily 2 hours, almost it is taking like a 2 hours, right? I can improve myself some different area. Blindly, if you are attending an interview, okay, by blindly if you are attending a classes, there is no use. And even so many people are available in a group, even I can remove also all the people whoever is not joining the classes, simply recorded session purpose, recorded link purpose. People are in the WhatsApp group, no use. Also I can remove. Anyway, this one is a free branch, right? Why I want to care about these people? Whoever want to go through those recorded sessions, okay, they will go through this one. What is the point to join the in the WhatsApp group? 260 members. I can remove. Again, even if I ask you people also, give the mock interview, why he is asking to give the mock interview? Why he is asking to complete the assignments? It's my choice, right? If you are thinking like that, okay, it will you can continue like that only. Okay, again I'm telling, okay, if you are not giving, if you are not practicing, okay, if you are not doing anything, now you can think that many people are real time experienced people only. Already you are working as Pega developer from last 3 years, 2 years, 5 years, but you are not able to clear the interviews. Yes or no? Many people. But you know how to do, but you don't know the concept. Why you are doing like that. Agree, Suman?
Yes, correct, correct.
You know, you know the concept. Yeah, already I know the update page. I know. Okay. See, I'm also same thing. Some different trainer also will explain same only. Update. What is the use of the update? But my explanation is why you are doing like that. Everyone knows data type. How we will create a data type. My explanation is how I am explaining. Why we are creating a data type? What is the reason for that? Okay, what level we will create? If you create in this level, okay, how we will use? How other application people will use? That type of points you are getting, right? See,
Yes,
everyone will explain how to create a data type, how to use the update page, how to use the page properties. When I'm explaining at the time, I'm giving an explanation. See, I observed real time people, your lead or else your LSA will tell that create a DT and do this one. You don't know why he is asking to do, but you are doing, and then you are completing that user story. Agree? Anusri, whoever ended. Now you can think. Same only is happening in our real-time projects, right? Agree, me. Anuja, see, your lead told
Yes,
something. Same thing. Blindly, we will do that one. You don't know the purpose. Why he is asking us to do this one. Simply, we will do, and then we will complete that story. Again, next story they will assign to us.
yeah,
In interview
yes,
point of view, they will ask you. See now, Kanuja asked, hey, I want to copy this page to this page, whether it will copy or not. If you didn't do practically, automatically you cannot answer, right? In an interview point of view, they will ask like that only. One of the person asked, Arjun, is it instead of using update page, it is possible to use set? Yes, interview point of view, people will ask like that. We will not try also, right? Whether we will do like that in a real-time project, we will not do. Set and then page like that. Page list. I told some of the scenario. Sir, okay, when temporary pages you want to copy, at that time page to page, directly we will specify like that. I'm giving an explanation. Okay, each one, what is the purpose, why we will use, when we will use. If you are not preparing, again I am telling and again I am telling. See, after completion of the classes, even why I am highlighting again this one also. See, after completion of the entire course, he realized, bro, I want to Pega job. I want to work as a Pega developer. At that time itself, same story I told to everyone, not only single person, everyone. Please prepare. A daily based preparation is required. Even in my LinkedIn also I updated. Okay, I will remove. If I remove, people will think bad about me. Genuinely, people will think bad about me, right? In case if I remove from this group and all, he is having too much of attitude like that, people will think or not. Why I want to get the bad name? Okay, fine. Okay, whether they want to they want to learn something, they can learn. Otherwise, okay, fine. Why I want to care about these people like that? See, at that time, clearly I told him, okay, please prepare. He didn't prepare. Now he realized, Array, whatever salary I'm getting, it is not sufficient without preparation. I joined Pega classes 3 months. Now I will start. Okay, I told prepare and then give the mock interview 20 classes. No, still I support the same way I will talk. Even one after 1 year also, if you ping me, I will talk same way only. Okay, I told him, okay, please prepare again. Okay, 20 classes you can give, and then you can ping me. I will take a mock interview. I will discuss with you. Okay, I will tell you. See, I'm 100%. I'm telling you will get confident. Even you don't have any experience. Also, after completion of the 20 of 4 mock interviews, 100% I'm telling independently you will get the job with your own. Even you don't have Pega experience also. Okay, he told, okay, bro, I will give mock interview 20 classes. Even I didn't believe him. After 4 days, for 1 week, exactly 1 week. 1 week of time, he pinged me and he asked me, okay, I'm ready to give the mock interview. Again, next 20 classes, he told that next within 1 week, I will give the mock interview. Okay, I will give the mock interview. Means first 1 to 40 class. Next 1 week, 1 week itself, he didn't, he told me, sir, again, I will take 15 days. See, you are delaying, okay, you are delaying your process and I told him, see, within August 20th, we will upload your resume. He's getting, he also getting a lot of confident. Oh, really, bro, after giving a mock interview, now I got the too much of confident. Too much of confident like that. Even you people also, once you try to practice, automatically will get confident or not. Come on, when you are doing some hands-on, automatically will get some confident, right?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Without doing any hands-on, automatically we lost the confidence, bro. Even our projects also, if you're not doing anything, we will feel like insecure, right? Every day we will feel insecure. Array, when they will remove, when they will release from this project, like that we will get some insecure, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Sir, if you're in a project, if you're not doing anything, I don't know when they will call, when they will assign the work, in a meeting suddenly what they will ask, like that we will fear or not. Okay, sir, don't join a time pass and a time pass one. Even everyone will explain same stuff only. Some other trainers also will explain same stuff. Some other trainers also will explain same stuff. If you're not preparing, what is the use? Even I'm giving a point to point. What is the use? What is the use of that one? I'm giving a point to point explanation. You can think whether I'm telling any wrong things. Whoever is working employees, Subbu or else Anuja, okay, Suman, whoever working employees, and you can think you are getting too much of confident, right, on those topics, whatever topics I'm discussing on daily basis.
Yeah,
Yes.
yes, sir.
Too much of
No,
confident.
no.
I'm only telling you, too much of confident you people are getting. Sir,
Even
think
some
yourself.
doubts also we are clarifying while doing the development. We will get
Ah,
some doubts.
that one also. Okay, I'm explaining. If whatever I don't know, okay, I will check. In case if whatever I don't know, okay, it's not mandatory to know everything. Even I'm LSA also. It's not mandatory to know whatever you people are asking. I will not feel bad. What I will do, go. I will go to okay Google. I will search the Google, or else I will go to the Pega Academy, Pega community. We'll go and then we'll analyze, and then I will explain some okay simplified manner. Even my way of explanation, my way of writing also, if you observe, simplified, very simplified and right,
Yeah.
whatever I'm going to write here, simplified, how we will talk normally, personal discussion, how we will discuss, same like that I'm writing. Even every class, if you observe, okay, if you observe every class, it's not like more than 20 points, and every class not like a 20 to 30 points. Yes or no? See, 20 to 30 points, you cannot buy heart, you can buy heart, right? It will not take too much of time. Try to understand. Repeated, go through this recorded file one or two or three times. Why I'm giving a recorded session to you? Download yourself. I can restrict myself. I can restrict my many trainers. How they are giving? They will sell recorded session, recorded links also, recorded files also. Agree? Many people are selling, right, recorded files. 20,000, 30,000, 25,000, like that. Even recorded sessions. I'm giving. Okay, I'm not restricting. Some people will not give the option to download. You can view. I'm directly giving. It will useful if they go through again this recorded this concept wherever they are getting some doubt. Again they will open that record and then they will go through. They will get some okay, full clarity on this particular topic. Please take serious and don't like join like some time pass way. Time pass way. See, this Saturday, Sunday, I will complete first level mock and level one, whatever in a LinkedIn with commitment I updated. That commitment explanation also I'm giving. Agree? Maybe so many people. Okay, I post when I posted so many people. Hey, whether he will explain free only, he is explaining, right? Whether he will explain with commitment. Before joining, you people also got some doubts, right? Agree? Genuinely, you people also got some doubts, right? Sir, if he is explaining freely, whether he will explain in depth, someone whether you got the doubt or not, or
No,
Anuj.
no, no. I'm not getting out.
Other people, and just you can think. When I posted in LinkedIn, many people also whether he will explain. Some people told me, okay, whether it is a scam.
So, to be honest, I thought the same way. Like you said, only definitions kind of stuff. But after I joined, I realized even simple options also you are taking more depth to explain.
People generally, most of the people will think like that. Okay, when I posted, people will think some array whether he will explain all. Okay, anyway he is taking classes without any fee. Okay, okay, fine, whether he will explain. Okay, simply theoretical sessions, and then we will wind up. No, even I'm giving a chance to you, ask doubts. Even I'm telling, is it fine or not? This concept is clear now, clear, like that I'm asking, right? Again, I'm expecting a reply from you also. Yes or no?
Okay.
If you're okay, then only I'm continuing with next topic.
And you also doubting some at the end of the class also. It's very good.
I can close also immediately. I can close. Okay, bye, see you. Okay, tomorrow we'll continue. Tomorrow I want to discuss about this topic, like that. Something I want to give to you people. If you're not preparing, please prepare. Start now. Again, after completion of the classes, okay sir, after that I will start from beginning. Don't think like that, bro. See, he is realizing, bro, you told initially itself, okay, at that time itself, if I concentrate, now, okay, now I will be in some strong position. Now again I'm wasting my time, like that he is feeling. Okay, sir, 20, okay, say first level 1 mock interview, okay, it will complete. Whoever ready to give the mock interview, think, and then you can ping me, say I'm ready to give the mock interview. Okay, I will take a mock interview. Even I'm observing, see, we can open, and even mock interviews also people will charge or not. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Mock interviews also people are
Until
charging or
this topic,
what? And
until this topic, until whatever the topics are completed, until that,
yes,
is it okay?
Augmented.
yes, up to level 1 mock interview means, in a LinkedIn I updated it. Almost how many
Okay.
classes? 24 classes.
Oh, okay.
Started up to Saturday,
Okay.
Sunday, whatever topics I'm going to discuss.
Okay,
Okay.
Ajan. Thank you.
Okay, see,
After this data transforms topic, right?
no, no, two more topics, bro. Okay, these basic things about rule set version, branching. After that, we'll discuss about some more things. Class inheritance, rule resolution algorithm, up to the topic. Okay,
Okay.
25 classes. Now this one is, what is the class number now? Okay, 1 minute.
18, 18.
18. Okay, now six more classes.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. We'll continue tomorrow. Please, I'm telling, and don't join the time pass. Okay, don't join time pass.
Sir, Arjun, I
Yeah.
have one doubt.
Yes,
Doubt.
sir. You can see again. I'm telling that
This conference
here
will
you
now be
can give
recorded.
anything. So param dot error message is there, right? Sir, param is the mandatory, and param after that this one, right? Some XYZ also you can give. See, like that. So now see here. Now I saved this one. Now go here, and now okay, when I'm refresh this one, that is the written value. You can give any value, but some meaningful, right? If someone is going to review your code at that time, they will ask you, right? Here now we can say, now you are able to see the error message.
Yeah, yes.
Uh,
Yeah. My question is there anything, is there a mandatory to give param? In place of
yes, yes,
param
yes.
is required, but because earlier I was confused. When I'm seeing param, I was seeing the parameters tab. So is were mentioning somewhere the
Oh, okay,
chemical,
okay.
something
Here
like that.
here is it
I was
mandatory
getting
to
confused.
define like that?
Yeah.
No,
Now
it's
I
not. Okay, 1 minute, one
two
minute. Is
differences here.
uh,
Param also, when we are passing parameters from one rule to another rule, also we are using parameters tab, and we are keeping here setting a param dot some property. That is one way, and another way is like when we are setting the messages like this error message kind of. Then also without specifying the parameters tab parameters, we are using here a param dot error message, param dot has error message kind of thing. So I was confused between that.
no, it's not mandatory to specify here, bro.
Okay.
Okay,
Whenever you're
but
passing it,
but but I will tell you. Okay, but I will tell you. Okay, now for example, Okay, this is a data transform. Okay, I created one more data transform, right? Open this one. Sir, this data transform is expecting some parameters. Okay, this data transform is expecting a parameter. Okay, parameter means now I'm going to add one step. Param dot, okay, address type. Okay, address type. Okay, param dot address type like that. It is x. Okay, 1 minute. To some address. Sir, whether I specified address type under parameters tab?
No.
No, no.
No.
Okay, okay. Now, sir, now address whatever value is available. Now I'm sitting here. Now go here. Sir, now as per the requirement, array, I want to copy the address details. So, okay, fine. Now I'm copying here. Okay. Now go here. Whether you are able to see the parameters here. No. But your data transform is expecting one parameter, right? Now I didn't declare. Hello?
Yeah, yes, yes, Arjun. Yeah,
Sir,
you didn't declare, and it's still expecting.
within the rule, you are accessing that parameter value within the rule, you are accessing those parameters, some other properties. No need to specify. It's not a mandatory to specify. In case this whatever parameter, okay, some different this one. Okay, this data transform is expecting some parameter. If you didn't declare, how it will pass? Now you are clear, right, bro? See,
Yeah,
now I
yes.
declared. I declared now here. Now it will ask parameter, right? Now see. Okay, you can think like that, bro. So now it is asking to
Yeah,
pass the parameter. Agree?
yeah, agree. My question is, yeah, this is clear, Arjun. But is it mandatory for parent dot some other name, yeah, has error message you mentioned, right?
Uh,
There without param, can you use some name there? Param dot without param, can you use any other name?
like that.
Like some
Other
VRM,
property.
some
Okay, okay. Error, okay,
yeah,
some error message like that I'm giving. Okay, okay, na?
okay, okay.
It's fine. It will not allow.
Won't allow
It will not see what is this one.
set.
Click this one.
Oh, it's getting error. Left side side property cannot be set right. Okay, constant value cannot be a constant value. That's why we are
Okay.
mentioning param. In place of param, can you type some other abc dot error message?
No, it will not allow, bro. ABC. Where is the ABC?
Left side value not be constant.
Ah, where is the baby ABC?
abc dot error message.
It will not allow. Where is the ABC? I'm telling.
ABC is not a
Ah,
yeah, it
Okay,
should.
ABC is not a message. Okay, it's not like a, even whether it is a keyword. At least now see here.
so it's expecting some keyword. Okay, got it.
Now at least now it is allowing, right?
Yeah.
Either you can set some property or you can use the param keywords.
Okay,
See, this
got
is
it.
this one is not available, right? Even
Yeah,
if you
it's
give
not available
proper
in Pega.
this
Got it.
constant value is not available. Next one.
Okay.
Sir, one doubt like in one condition, can we directly give the page list instead of all or
Page list. How we will give the page list here, bro? Page list means what you are thinking. Page list
means
means
the properties which are containing in the page list, can we directly give the condition for that?
no. See, in this scenario, we cannot give the page list. But in case if you want to check the page list means yes, we have a page list functions. Or in this scenario, no, it's not possible, right? In this scenario, you want to check these property values. In this scenario, you want to check these property values. Okay, this
Okay,
is the property value. Whether it is the page list.
oh, okay, okay. So we want to go to each property. That's why we'll give separately.
Exactly.
Okay. Sir, one more thing. If we are adding a data here, it will reflect in data type, which means if we add dependent, we are going on and
No, this is not a data type class. This is the only data class. Data type I use as a class. Okay, it will
okay,
not store into your. Okay, it will not store into this data type. Okay, but it will associate with your case.
PY.
Whatever data entered here, it will associate, it will store into your work table.
Only PY work page we can see, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Fine, sir.
Okay, we'll continue tomorrow. See, my
Is that
suggestion is again, yes, Ranjit.
uh, is that param we are using that param, right? Is that acting as a local property to that particular rule in particular data transfer?
No, it's not local.
It's outside
Local,
of that local property or local variable kind of thing.
no, here no local variable and all, right, bro?
No. Outside of this means outside of this data transform, can we use that param?
Yes, yes.
What we have setting here?
Yes, yes. Here
Yes,
you can see
Yeah.
this one, bro. See, now I can pass this value to here, right?
yes. Mhm.
Hello? Outside
Yes.
of
Yes.
the
Yes.
data transfer. Okay. That is a
Mm.
parameter value we can pass from one rule to another rule, like that. I told one sentence, right? When I discussed about the okay, activities. Previous classes, bro.
Yes.
Ranjit.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Got it.
Arjun,
Yes.
when you in the 3.1, when you assign dot address, that means you assign one property. That means the property holding the message, but the error message is showing in the page level.
It will not show. It will not show in the Pivot work page level. Now you are setting into some page one property.
Can we see this property in a clipboard?
Yes, yes.
Can you
See,
please show
like
the
that, no
property?
one will settle it, bro. You think some dude go too much of negative way. Too much of negative way. See, automatically you will get some confusions, right?
Hmm.
Okay, too much of negative, right? That one. Whether we will do like that. Even
Uh,
previously morning also, whatever I asked, created sample one and sample two also. See, it is a different. It will not copy, right? Whether we will do like that. Okay.
so
Thanks.
this question was param is not there, but why we are using param here? In parameters, we do not have any error message, right? But why we are using here 3.1 as param dot error message?
Parameter just like a page inside this
It will hold,
error
bro.
message property
What
is
this
available.
function is going to return? Boolean. See, whatever your functions are going to return, that value where it is available. See, this function is going to return some value or not?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
What it is returning?
True or
Please
false.
when string value
Okay, that is the error message.
error message. Okay.
Okay, that message we are setting here, and then it is displaying into in this function. You can open this function. Okay, it is setting into your primary page level.
Mhm.
See what
I
is it?
think his question is like in parameter space, we didn't define that parameter, right?
No,
But
I'm saying
still you are using is
that
what he
one
is saying.
only I explained, right? It's not a mandatory
Mandatory, yeah, true.
within the rule. If you are accessing this parameter value, see whether I use this one, whether this message, and whether I'm passing through some different data transform. Just now I gave one example right here. Okay, this data transform is expecting some parameter. Agree. If this data transform is expecting a then parameter, then we need to pass that parameter here. Sir, now here param dot message. Do you want to pass this value to some different value? Think.
No.
Now no need to declare here. Hello?
It
Yeah,
means
got it actually.
No need to declare here. ఓకే, క్లియర్గా ఇక్కడ కూడా చెప్పానండి. ఓకే, ఈ డేటా ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్కి ఇప్పుడు ఈ పారామీటర్ ఈ రూల్కి ఏమైనా పాస్ చేయాలా?
నేను అలా అంటానండి. ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఎర్రర్ మెసేజ్ కాపీ అడ్రస్ డీటెయిల్స్ లో పంపించాలంటే మనం ఇక్కడ దాంట్లో గేర్ ఐకాన్ ఓపెన్ చేసి దాంట్లో పంపిస్తాం కదా. అది కాపీ అడ్రస్ డీటెయిల్స్ పంపించాలంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈ
కాపీ
ఎర్రర్ మెసేజ్ కాపీ అడ్రస్ డీటెయిల్స్ డేటా ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ కి పంపించాలంటే
డోంట్ థింక్ టూ మచ్ బ్రో, ఓకేనా? డోంట్ థింక్ టూ మచ్, ఓకే? డోంట్ గెట్ ఎనీ కన్ఫ్యూజన్, ఓకే? ఎప్పుడైనా సరే ఒక డేటా ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్కి ఇంకొక రూల్ నుంచి ఏమైనా పారామీటర్స్ని ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తే అప్పుడు ఇట్స్ ద మ్యాండేటరీ టు యాడ్ దోస్ పారామీటర్స్ అండర్ పారామీటర్స్ ట్యాబ్. ఓకే, నువ్వు విత్ ఇన్ ద రూల్లోనే నీ యొక్క పారామీటర్ వాల్యూ ఇంకొక దానికి పాస్ చేసుకోవాలనుకుంటే అప్పుడు మళ్ళీ మనం డిక్లేర్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఇది సింపుల్గా చెప్పాలంటే. ఇంకా అర్థం కాలేదంటే మనం ఏం చేయలేము అనమాట.
ఓకే
ఓకే,
ఓకే
థ్యాంక్స్ సార్, విల్ కంటిన్యూ.